still good. In the fine camera, there's nothing.
Joe.
Lovely surroundings. How have you been?
Well, sometimes very busy.
Yes. We have an office here in Port Harcourt. We're obviously from the British High Commission, and our mission here is really just to understand a bit more about what's happening in Rivers State, what the dynamics are ahead of the election. So, you know, one of our key priorities is about supporting a free, fair, credible election for Nigeria. So just to understand a little bit more about, you know, what the sort of preparations are here. Well, it's probably a little bit too early to say, but we've met with the governor, we've met with the chief of police, we've met with the candidates and the parties. So we hope there's a really strong commitment to deliver that free, fair, credible election. That's what everyone has been saying. So we're really pleased to hear that, and we're really pleased that people are happy about kind of the Electoral Amendment Act and how that might have a positive impact on the electoral process.